Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. I wanted to do, and I rarely do this, but a long-term review of the Wildbadger chainsaw that I got here. It's CSB40U. It's a 40-volt chainsaw. Oh, actually needs a little oil in there, so I'll add some of that before we head on down. But 40-volt chainsaw, comes with a 4 amp hour battery. I've had it, I think, 2 solid years now. And I have to say that I have stopped using gas chainsaws for like 99% of the work I do here on the homestead. This actually works really well. It is the equivalent, and in many ways, I feel the superior to a gas chainsaw. And I don't know about commercial work, but for a homestead or a homeowner who has to cut up maybe 2 trees a year, that's not that big a deal with something like this. I like it. It's low noise. It's lighter than a gas chainsaw. It stops on a dime. Like the second your finger leaves that trigger, it is done. And the brake on a regular chainsaw just doesn't work that quickly. It's really cool. And so what I've got here is Hurricane Helene came through and of course took out a whole bunch of trees on the property. I've been cutting them up as I needed to. It's kind of raining out today, but I've been cutting them up, and I've been using this, and I just chopped up a whole load. So what we're going to do is I'll take you outside and take a look at that with you, and then we're going to get back on to doing some cutting. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these. They're on Amazon. I have a bunch of Wildbadger stuff. Some of it is gas, some of it is electric, and I've found them to be one of the better brands out there for electric stuff as well as gas. I've got an 18-inch self-propelled riding mower that operates off the same battery pack, and it also operates really well. Not riding mower, push mower, sorry. And maybe I'll make a review on that. But for today, this is all about this chainsaw. And I had a Ryobi 18-volt chainsaw. That thing was absolute garbage. And so I just kind of figured that electric chainsaws weren't a thing. But boy, was I wrong. Let's go take a look at what it's been doing, and I'll show you how it works. Yeah, so here it is, like you can see. And this is just, you know, a quarter of what I've been cutting up here today. But large pile there, and up here in the Johnny bucket, and I'll do a video on that as well. The Johnny bucket is full as well here, you can see. Come around here. You know, it cuts through that no problem, but I do want to point out, like, it'll cut through 10, 12-inch stuff too. It's really crazy. All right, so I did cut this one piece right here a little longer so I could demonstrate it for you before carrying this up to the wood pile. But I wanted to share it with you. It's maybe I hadn't really thought about how much things have changed when it comes to chainsaws, but electric is just fine. Check it out. So that'll do it. I just wanted to share that with you. I think this is a heck of a tool for the price, and you know, maintenance wise, I mean, it's going to put me out of business fixing gas engines, but charge the battery. That's about all you got to do to it. Anyway, till next time, my friends, take care.